Yes, this is your boy Dorote Awilo. You can check me on all social media platforms as Dorote Awilo. Like, share, comment, follow. Remember, when preparation meets opportunity, the result always be successful. Omo, we are in Lagos City in AJ, and we want to ask people this matter. They make me the fear. We want to ask people. If you can piss in the front of camera and drink am, we will give you 5,000. I dey fear make they don't come beat me today. Let's go there. My name is Dorote Awilo. Can I know your name? Oluwaseun. Abeg no vex. You fit piss in the front of camera and drink and collect 5,000?
No.
Why?
I don't fit do am.
You no fit do am. Alright, thank you, Oluwaseun. Thank you. My name is Dorote Awilo. Can I know your name? Promise. We already meet promise. Okay, promise. You fit piss in the front of camera and drink and collect 5,000.
5K.
5K for your one piece.
Tried it. I open out the piece.
You go open am na. No, then they no go show am. But then they go show say you dey piss. You go come take and drink am.
No wahala now.
No wahala.
No wahala.
Promise say you want to do am.
No wahala.
Oya na, make I give am something make piss inside. You ready?
I'm ready.
Oya na. Oya make I bring something for promise. Promise want to piss and drink the piss. Nice one.
It's not doing that.
Yes na. Promise don run. Abi wetin I talk? I say piss and drink am na. Okay, promise don run o. 5,000 here. 5,000 here to win. Bro, this one you dey smile like this. 5,000 here to win. My name na Dorote Awilo. Can I know your name?
Michael.
Michael, the way you dey waka dey make me fear o. You fit piss in front of camera and drink and collect 5,000.
Why not? Now I can dey talk am small small.
They talk am small small.
Dey talk am small small.
You sure?
Wa.
Say you go do am.
You don dey talk too much. Show your rubber.
Oh, sorry, take. You go piss am for here and drink am o.
Give me my money first.
I go give you your money in the front of camera. I will give you.
Who go buy 5K?
I go give you your 5K.
Who go hold am?
Now me go give you.
You sure?
I go give you your 5,000.
You sure?
I'm sure.
No wahala na.
Peace no gree come o.
Peace go come now. Calm down now. You told me something unaware. Just expect me speak to us. Abi want you calm down now.
Tried it.
Abi no go corner. But wait first. I need to
give you. I go give you.
I need my space.
No worry. Na me go give you. I will give you.
Who go come hold am?
I will give you.
He tried it.
Wait, my go corner. This
You no come. Hey, now they look. Why they look? You don't easy to piss in the Ma cover that for you. Ma cover that for you. Ma turn inside. Okay. Now I give a shot. Now I come out for there. Now I come out. Now I come out. Now I come out. This inside. Now I come out. Now I come out. Now I come out. Now I come out.
He tried it.
$5,000 for you. I don't go use you play in front of camera. You go collect the 5,000 new one. I sure.
die.
He tried it.
Dorote Awilo.
Ah,
That's my name, Dorote Awilo. I don't love Michael. I'll give you 5,000.
no wahala na. Everywhere good.
My camera dey on.
Dey on am. Wait, one, two, three.
Yes na.
But you think I'm face the camera?
Yes na.
Is it your own? Abi your own?
Your own face. No worry, do your.
No, as in the camera made it. You say na your own camera.
No. My camera.
Please don't come.
Peace no come. He don't pay me, Michael. Why? Man, I come out for there now. It's not easy. Thank you, Michael.
He tried it.
For your yes, I see am for your this is like you want to peace because you get that power and you get that emotional that you want to peace. I'm going to give you 2,000. Thank you for that. Thank you. My name is Dorothy Awilo. Can I know your name?
My name is
Yunga.
My name is Favor.
Favor. Okay, I want to ask you simple. Can you piss in the front of camera and drink and collect 5,000?
For real?
Yeah.
Are you for real?
Yeah.
What kind of question is that? How can I do that kind of thing?
No, simple now. To collect 5,000, you will piss and collect.
5,000 naira. Are you for real? What kind of nonsense is that? That is suffering. I don't understand.
It's not about suffering now. It's something that if you can do it.
No. That is not. Imagine. I don't understand. What is the meaning of all this? What kind of nonsense is that? What kind of question is that? Are you like that, huh? What is the meaning of that?
I'm gonna ask you if you feel piss.
No, I don't really understand. I don't understand. What is 5,000 naira? I don't understand. Is this guy okay at all, babe?
No, wait now. No, are they okay? No, are they okay? Now simple story. Whether na fit piss and drink am.
I don't understand. We can give you 20k. What is 5,000 naira? We can dash you 20k.
Thank you. Sorry. Now pray.
Don't try that next time.
Okay, thank you.
Awilo.
Are they fine? Who fit piss in the front of camera?
Oh yeah, don't let
Take
them
5,000. Can I know your name? My name is Dorothy Awilo.
My name is Mayokun.
Mayokun. You fit piss in the front of camera and drink and collect 5,000. You fit piss in the front of camera and drink and collect 5,000.
No.
Mayokun say no. Me, I can't do it. Let's see. Good afternoon. My name is Dorothy Awilo. Can I know your name?
Ajayola.
Ajayola. How are you?
Fine.
Can you piss in the front of camera and drink and collect 5,000 naira?
Sir?
Can you piss in the front of camera and drink and collect 5,000 naira?
For real?
For real?
5,000.
5,000 here, 5,000.
Peace is in public now.
Yes, it's public. The camera go show you say you dey piss so and you go drink and the camera go show say you dey drink and you go collect the 5,000.
Yes.
You fit do am?
Yes.
Okay now, yeah. Maybe you go enter somewhere there. I see.
Where will I piss? At where?
Yeah. Okay. Let's see what's going to happen. Come. Hey, come. What's that your name again? Eniola. I see that reality, that emotion inside you that you want to really piss until you go that back, you better you want to piss. You really want to piss to collect the 5,000. Why you want to do like that?
For my baby, I want to do that to volunteer. To do this for my baby.
Oh, to cook food for your baby. You have baby.
To buy food stuff for her to eat.
You marry?
I'm not yet married, but I've given birth.
Okay, that's why you want to piss in the public and drink in front of camera to collect 5,000.
Now they said in Nigeria, until you work, until you volunteer to do for any child boy, is either boy or girl, to earn their living. So I can't do it for my baby.
Sorry, so sorry. Thank you. I'm going to give you the same money. I'm going to give you. Thank you. God will protect you and God will provide for you. I'll give you my number. Anything I can do to help, I will do to help you here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello, can I know your name? My name is Dorothy. Can I know your name? Arinze, near me now. Face the camera. Wait. You feel peace in the front of camera and drink and collect 5,000. Hey, is it a henna?
Why not?
You are sure? Okay, I take. Please don't catch you. Okay, thank you, Arinze. Hello, Mama. Good afternoon. My name is Dorothy. Can I know your name?
My name is Alima.
Alima, baby girl. Nice one. You feel peace in the front of camera and drink and collect 5,000. Collect what? 5,000.
No.
Your peace. No. You know green. No. Okay, my name is Dorothy Awilo. Can I know your name?
My name is Babagana.
Okay, Baba Ghana.
Yes.
You feel peace in the front of camera and drink and collect 5,000.
It's probably it's too small.
It's too small. Thank you. No problem. My name is Dorothy Awilo. Can I know your name?
My name is Precious.
Precious baby. Nice one, sweet name. You feel peace in the front of camera and drink and collect 5,000.
No.
Nope. You know, she not even think and twice. She said no. Bro, no. You are not interested. My name is Dorothy Awilo. Can I know your name? Correct. Okay, you fit piss in the front of camera and drink am and collect 5,000.
I no gree.
He no gree o. He no gree. My name is Dorothea Awilo. Can I know your name?
Kingsley.
Kingsley. Nice one. You fit piss in the front of camera like this and come drink am again?
Yes na.
He say yes na. Are you sure?
Yes na, everywhere hard.
You go piss for my presence o.
Yes.
In the front of camera like this and drink am.
Yes.
Okay na take. Yeah, go and piss. Kiss. I come this side. Kingsley want to piss o. Kingsley want to piss. You wan piss and drink am o.
Peace na, why?
Okay, yeah, piss now. Camera turn like that. Make camera no catch that thing. Yeah, just turn am like this. Just turn am like this. Just turn am like this. Kingsley wan piss o. Let me check. Ah, Kingsley don piss. Oh yeah, drink am. You need to drink am. You need to drink this piss o. You know say you dey front of camera. You piss here. You need to drink am o. Jesus, Jesus, just for 5,000. Hey, na drink am. Drink am, let's see. Yeah, Kingsley! Kingsley! Kingsley, drink he peace! How you feel?
I feel good now. Now my money, give me my money.
Why you feel like do this in the front of camera?
I say everywhere hard. I no get money. I never chop for 2 days like this.
Oh, Jesus. Nice one. I'll give you the 5,000. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, join one, maybe 6.
5. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. But how? If your girlfriend like they see you they piss in the public, how they go feel and you drink? How you go feel?
I no get money now. Now make me the peace.
You no get money. Okay, thank you. We still dey go. Okay. My name is Dorothea Awilo. Can I know your name?
My name is Khalid.
Khalid. You go.
My name is Toby.
Toby. Okay, you feel piss in the front of camera and drink and collect 5,000.
Sure, I can do it.
You know wetin I talk so?
I know what you talk now.
You go piss, camera go show you.
No man, I can do it.
You can do it.
Sure.
Okay, now let's go. Come this side. Come this corner. Take peace for there. Peace, peace, peace. Peace for here. Let me see. Camera. Let me see. Oh, no do fake. Oh, peace no gree come. 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 Oh, it dey come. Inside the show. I never see peace. Peace and collect 5,000. Peace and collect 5,000. Peace no gree come. 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 Peace no. My name is Dorothea Awilo. Can I know your name?
My name is Daimdemutu.
Okay, you feel peace in the front of camera and collect 5,000. Oh, wait now. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. You want peace? Oh, yeah, peace and for here. Are you sure? Are you sure you are 5,000? 5,000. 5,000. 5,000. 5,000. 5,000. 5,000. You will piss in the front of the camera and drink and collect 5,000. And collect. She really peace. She really peace. You need to drink it. Yes. Thank you so much. I see that emotion inside you. Like, but why you need to piss in the front of camera and drink it for 5,000? It's a comedy. But we are going to go all over social media. Are you okay with that? Yes. Are you really okay? No. How you feel now? How you feel?
Allow.
As you piss,
My body free now.
your body
Every
free
person not peace.
for the front of camera.
Why not? That don't mean anything now.
But you need to drink, and that's the.
Why? Drink for what? No.
I don't want you to drink it.
Ah,
But
no.
I see that emotional inside you that you can piss and drink in the front of camera.
No, I can't drink it.
No, nah.
I can't drink my beans. I can't drink my beans.
Wait, now if boyfriend go see your video, how are you going to feel?
Don't post it though.
You need.
Abiago.
You are on social media
My
already.
face show.
Yes, your face show.
And they have big phone now.
You are okay.
Both. I'm okay.
You are okay.
Yes.
No fight. You are okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. My name is Dorothy Awilo. Can I know your name?
My name is Janet.
Janet. I better not fight me. Oh. You fit piss in the front of camera and drink and collect 5,000.
No, I can't.
Say no, I can't. Thank you, Janet.